YouTube, what is going on, guys? It is Hunter here. Welcome back to episode 6 of this DoorDash Uber Eats fiasco. Today is going to be a little shorter than normal. Right now, it is 4:44 p.m. Repeating numbers, what are the odds of that? And we're going to head back to the same zone. We're going to head back to Tivoli Village again because we did really good yesterday. Let's hope that we can do good today. Let's see if we can get some bangers of some pretty good orders. I'm hoping for the best. I was going to switch up the areas and probably go to Green Valley, Henderson area, but you know, that's where I found most profit was in Tivoli Village, Summerlin area. So we're going to head back there, head back at the hot spot, hot zone, and let's get some orders. Like I said, guys, we always do these intros before we head out. You guys already know the damn deal. So enough with the yapping. This was a quick little clip to do the intro of this video. Let's get to Summerlin. Let's see if we can secure some bags. Let's see if we can secure a little bit quick profit before we focus on our funded prop firm. I also want to bring that up, guys. I officially bought the Crypto Fund Challenge, so I have to do 2 evaluation phases, and we're going to get locked in on that. So we might have to put off a period of time on not doing this food delivery fiasco and might focus our content on the trading aspect of things. But other than that, enough with the yapping. Let's get to Summerlin and Tivoli Village area. Here we go. All right, guys, so we have made it back to the spot. I just want to show you guys that we have arrived, made it safely. Right now it is 5:11 p.m. in the afternoon. Let's see if we can get some orders. Let's see if we can get some high value orders like we did yesterday. Let's get it, bro. I just want to keep you all updated that this is episode 6. If you guys are already, make sure you guys like, make sure you guys comment and subscribe to the channel if you guys are enjoying this. YouTube. All right, so we just hit our first successful order of the night, bro. This one was a 5.5 mile drive for $15, bro. That was a golden order. It was from an Italian spot called Giordano's. I had to hop on the freeway to head on this side of town. Like I said, there's just parts of Vegas, guys, that I've never been to, and that's why I like doing this DoorDash delivery stuff or food delivery stuff, because, bro, it's like you make your money and you get to check out like different parts of your city that, you know, I've lived here all my life, guys, and not only now I'm discovering these parts of the city, man, when I could have been doing this all this time. So yeah, today was the first successful hit. We're gonna head back to our base, our spot, our area, and then see if we can get some more orders from there. I just want to keep you updated. We just completed our first order, $15. We're up $15 of the day right now. So here we go. We're gonna continue on the day. Make sure I turn, make sure I look both directions while I'm driving and recording for you guys. All right, I'm gonna continue driving back, and then we will continuously find out where we're headed to next. All right, guys, so I just want to keep you all updated that it is 6:07 p.m. in the afternoon right now. Dude, I took a picture of the clouds earlier because look at this, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see out there, but peep the clouds out there, bro. That shit was beautiful earlier. Well, I had really good lighting earlier, but you know, the sun's going down pretty fast. But right now we're just in the middle of Boca Park between Cheesecake Factory and Kona Grill. And I'm right behind this Panera Bread, and there's some other restaurants or something like that. But we were at the spot exactly last night, and we returned here because our last order was really good. So hopefully we can secure like at least 2 or 3 orders. It's weird because the AI is telling me to cut off at 7:30 tonight. Cut it off very early because we have bought the Crypto Hub trading account, and so what I'm saying, guys, is I'm not saying that this is going to be the last episode. We're still going to be making episodes, but there might be a period of time where I'm going to have to focus on that. So I want to combine this content plus the trading content, and let me know what you guys think down below. I just wanted to add this into the clip as well. So yeah, I'm going to get back to waiting for these orders, and we will keep you updated and see if we get anything good. Here we go. All right, y'all. So I just want to keep you updated that we have completed another delivery. I just want to show you guys real quick. This is the exact neighborhood I was at last night. Do y'all see how dope this neighborhood is out here? Look at that. Look at these houses, man. These houses, bro, these houses were dope as fuck. I'm just saying, bro, this is like one of the richest parts I can tell, like off the bat, showing y'all those houses. Hopefully y'all got to see a good angle of it. But pretty much we're heading back to the zone. We completed another successful delivery for $7.75. It was a Panera Bread order. We secured that in the bag, but dude, this community is freaking dope. I know these people got money, all right? These houses definitely got to be up in like the millions, at least. I mean, with the housing market, the way things are going right now is going nuts. Hold on a sec. Okay. I thought I missed route, but anyways, I'm gonna get back to driving here. and then get back to the zone. All right, YouTube. So we are here, another portion of the segment. It's 7:49 p.m. right now, and like I said, guys, we're gonna get started on hopping on this trading thing instead of procrastinating and doing this. So like I said, it's a 2-in-1 deal. I wasn't lying about this. I'm finally screen recording my charts and seeing what I see. I'm a true beginner at this. Like I said, we're hopping on crypto right now. These are the pairs that I'm in. I'm actually paper trading a few of these pairs. I'll show you guys real quick. So we're gonna switch from the daily time frame, which I'm learning, by the way, and I'll show you guys really cool just paper trading a Discord that I'm in right now. So we are on Binance. As you guys can see, we're on the 50-minute time frame. We're actually going for a long. As you guys can see, we kind of had a really not so good entry over here. We have market structure break forming right here as well. We're at 400 something ticks right now. Paper trading within the TradingView platform, right? This is one of my favorite softwares, guys, to use because it's just, I don't know, I think it's a bit easier to use than what I used to use, which was TrendSpider. But pretty much it's consolidating right now. It's not really no movement. We see a movement down below the VWAP, so it might go bearish. We're not sure, but we're on another trade as well. We're actually up in this one, plus 88 ticks right now. We have different 3 TP levels. Obviously, I'm trying to go for TP3. Not trying to be too greedy past that, but we have our initial stop loss above at 0.80 right now because of the Bitcoin flash crash that happened a couple days ago. So yeah, pretty much these are the trades that I'm in. I'm just paper trading, like I said, within the TradingView platform, trying to figure out kind of my trading style. It seems to me the way that these traders do it on the Signal page that I do go on, and I am being truly transparent here. I'm learning their strategy as well. It seems like they are day trading the strategy. Oh no, oh no. Let me move back. All right, so back to what I was saying, guys. My headphones died, so I had to plug them in to get charged and stuff like that. But back to what I was saying. So basically, I readjusted it, and we are going back to Bitcoin. We are not going on the daily because we are going to be swing trading. So I'm using, obviously, these 3 levels that I have measured out on the daily time frame. Right now, I'm looking at what the other thing had said here. Hold on a second. I didn't mean to show you that. Let me move. You know, I'm going to do this. Hold on a second. Move you right here. Boom. All right. So, in the meantime, I'm going to be looking at this really quick here. All right. So, let's see. As you guys can see, I'm screen recording this because I'm just showing you guys the true transparency of what I'm looking at right now. I'm still learning technical analysis. I'll even show you guys too on my journal before I even go any further with what I'm looking at. See, I used to do previous trades back then, guys. I'm getting right back into it now because it's been a long break, transitioning to a new job, pretty much doing all these other things. I keep looking at the screen because I'm looking at myself, but I should be looking at the camera directly at you guys. I'm just trying to get used to this because this is my first time screen recording. But pretty much, guys, if you guys have any insights, tips, or advice on how I can approach this, I just want to show you guys that I am still learning this trading stuff as I go and show you the true transparency of what I am really looking at. So obviously, as a swing trader, we kind of look at the daily time frame. We also look at the 4-hour time frame to give us a even closer picture of what I'm looking at as well. So we saw, to me, I seen the supply, was the supply zone? So this is the demand zone here that I saw. All-time low was 108. All-time high, the resistance level was at about 125,000. So that's the all-time high that it hit, and then it just boom, major flash crash happened on the 10th on Friday. I think that's what happened. Everybody thinks it was Trump's tariffs, but I think it was the crypto exchanges just rug pulling everybody all at the same time and getting their portion and their cut. Other than that, these are the other pairs that I'm looking at as well. But since I'm on Crypto Hub Trader, the main two that I'm going to be watching the most is probably going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two stable, the two big dogs within this crypto space. As you guys can see, within the 4 hour, look at that, notified a market structure break right here. From here all the way from September till October 7th, and then that's when the infamous crash happened. But we can look also on the daily chart within Ethereum. I don't have this marked yet, but yeah, we're just in the consolidation phase, guys. I think it could potentially form a bull flag, to be honest with you, and just skyrocket from here and just go from there. But other than that, I'm gonna get back to doing this analysis. I could record this right now, but I just want to show you guys. This is what I'm also doing after the DoorDash and Uber eating as well. I'm mainly using that money to fund this and see if I can get a shot at it, because I do know that there's another YouTuber out there that is also doing this same thing, and he's the first one to do it. So if I can find his channel, shout out to him. I'm trying this out too, you know what I'm saying? So let's hope we can continuously do this funded challenge. And yeah, enough with the yapping. I'm going to get back to this, and I'll catch you guys with the outro. Early. Excuse me. All right, YouTube. So that is going to end it here, guys. I had to end the DoorDash Uber Eats fiasco pretty early because I was initially looking for a really good setup when it comes to trading on BTC or Ethereum. So like I said, we are swing trading, guys. And no, I'm not pivoting the content to being solely about trading. I'm trying to do a hybrid of both, a 2-in-1 deal where I'm showing you guys content of me out and about in different parts of Vegas, finding profitable orders. And that principle and that financial discipline applies the same when it comes to trading. That's one thing I learned about this overall, guys. Now, do I recommend doing DoorDash and Uber Eats and all that? If you could do all three apps, even better. You know what I mean? Unfortunately, like I said, for Grubhub within this area, I guess there's so many Grubhubbers out here that you're on a wait list to enroll for Grubhub. So because of that, I guess people mainly use DoorDash and Uber Eats the most. I guess those are the two apps that are in the highest demand. So you can do something called dual apping if that's all you can get access to, pretty much. But overall, guys, we managed to make just about a little over. We only did 2 hours of work realistically, so we made $22 between 2 to 3 orders. Pretty solid with DoorDash plus Uber Eats. My biggest order that I got was like a $15 tip out for 5.5 miles, and I calculated the math. That was almost 4 miles a gallon, so that's pretty solid. Earlier today too, I had to go service my car. It was so funny because the mechanic shop that I go to normally, we're just trying to do an upcharge. You know what I mean? And thanks to the AI analysis, told me, hey, they're trying to upcharge you, all right? So some of the stuff you can postpone, but you need to change some of the stuff. So I had to change the battery today, and then I changed the air filter. So shout out to the dude at AutoZone for doing that for me. Very generous of him. I just wish I had cash to tip. But yeah, financially wise, how we looking? We're looking much better than ever. We're getting there, you know. The only card that I've been using personally is my Amex Blue Cash Everyday card to get that cash back. You know what I mean? So yeah, we're getting back financially, guys. We're doing it. I'm wearing the jacket because it's starting to get cold slowly but surely. Thank you guys so much for watching this little short clip. I had a screen recording of me doing my technical analysis on the chart. So if I do add that, if I figure out how to add that in the video, that's great. If I don't figure out how to add that, just know that you pretty much transition to the outro of this video. So thank you guys so much again for watching. Be sure to like, be sure to comment, subscribe. If you guys want to use any of the affiliate links that I have, click the link in the description down below. You know what I'm saying? If you want to sign up for Uber, if you want to sign up for Kraken, you want to sign up for Robinhood to get your first free few stocks. So click the link in the description down below, guys. And I'm out of here. So sayonara.